So here now, this is the largest living rodent in the world, and you can bounce up this rodent in South America, Central America, tropical areas of North America, and Trinidad. It is known as capybara, greater capybara, giant agouti, mang dog, water dog, carpincho, hydrochoerus, hydrochaeris. Now there is another animal that is known as mang dog, and there's even another animal known as water dog. But we will not be focusing on those two other animals. This episode is about the largest living rodent, the capybara. They can grow to a length of around 4 feet and stand to a height of around 2 feet. Also, the average weight is around 66 kilograms or 145 pounds. But one of the heaviest capybaras ever recorded weigh 91 kilograms or 201 pounds. Capybaras are semi-aquatic and can be found in swamps, marshes, forests, wetlands, wide rivers, lakes, ponds, grasslands, and sometimes coastal areas. Capybaras live in large herds with around 10 to 20 individuals, but it can go up to 100 individuals in one herd. The herd is watched over by a single dominant male. Breeding occurs year-round, but peaks at certain times of the year depending on which country they live in. When a female capybara is ready to breed, her scent changes and she makes a whistling sound through her nose. That lets the male know that she is ready, and so they will start to trail her. During that time, the female have the advantage of choosing which male they will breed with. Yeah, capybaras can only breed in the water. If she wants to breed with a particular male that is nearby, she will enter the water. But if she doesn't want to breed, she will stay out of the water. After a female successfully mates, the gestation period will begin, which usually lasts between 130 to 150 days. After that, she will give birth to a single litter of around 4 to 8 babies. The baby capybaras are born on the land ready to run about and join the herd. In just about a week, the young will begin to eat grass, which is their main food diet. Well, their main diet. Capybaras will feed on grass, leaves, fruits, seeds, tree bark, and roots. Females will reach maturity at 7 to 12 months, while the males at 15 to 24 months. It is easy to distinguish the adult male capybaras from the females. The males have a distinct scent gland on the top of their nose. It looks like a little bump. They use that scent gland to mark their territory. Capybaras are very strong, fast, and agile creatures. If the group is in danger, usually the lookout male or just another lookout will bark, alerting the whole herd, and they will run as fast as they can to a safe area, or most likely water. Yeah, they just run to water, because water is one of the main ways they escape. They are excellent swimmers and will submerge themselves underwater holding their breath from up to 5 minutes. If cornered, they will not hesitate to charge and bite. Their jaws are very strong. I mean, they could chop down trees, so your bones will be like a piece of cake for them. Capybaras have good sense of smell and good hearing, but poor eyesight. I was 5 feet away from one and it couldn't even see me, but after a while it hear and smell me and it ran off. Capybaras are crepuscular, meaning they are more active early mornings and late evenings when the sun is at its lowest. During the rest of the day, they will be in a shady area, in water, or in a mud hole, wallowing about, because they have a tendency of overheating. Well, they can overheat. And at night, they would sleep close together or submerged in water with just their nose sticking out of the water. Everywhere we saw capybaras in Trinidad, we noticed that they are ferocious eaters and would often clean the riverbanks and trim the thick vegetation. They would even chew down trees. Now, it is said that they are an invasive species in Trinidad, but personally, I don't believe they are. Now, they do have a potential to be destructive, and in some areas of Trinidad, South, Central, and North America, they are quite destructive. But based on certain historical, personal, and other accounts, I do not believe they are invasive to Trinidad. In Trinidad, predators include caimans, anacondas, mackerels, kobos, and humans. I've even heard, well, someone told me that they saw a fish eating a baby capybara. Capybara's lifespan could range between 4 and 11 years. Now, they live so short a lot of times because so many things can see them as food. They are not the brightest of animals. But one thing I know, capybaras are cute and sometimes try to befriend other creatures. But that don't stop them from finding themselves diving into a pot or something else belly from time to time. So, as you all know, I am the Wildlife Master. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, blessings and bless out.